Sir, I can write you a ticket.
Write a poem!
All right, then. Sun on the street, wheels at a standstill, a parrot with courage, a cop with a quill. Law says a ticket, but my heart says rhyme, a feather remind.
Are you trouble?
I prefer experience.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Quiet!
Loud tots. Huh?
How many hearts broken today?
Stopped counting after breakfast. Respect the badge.
Respect the beak!
Respect the beak! Respect the beak! Respect the beak! Respect the beak! Respect the beak!
And if you choose to join dating apps, be mindful. People should know what they're getting into and...
Lock the city!
Right, you heard them. We're considering all options. Thank you for your time.
Should I arrest you?
Both!
Both?
Start with advice.
Are you this confident on purpose?
No, doctor said it's permanent!
Whoa! All right, you win, buddy.
Who finished it?
Stress reduction protocol.
Huh, you're kidding me. You needed less energy. Yeah. Suppose I did.
Unit requesting snacks. Oh, no way!
A request approved.
You flex for the Mirror offer?
It's a professional check.
Mirror filed a compliment report. All right.
Don't say anything.
Traffic or excuses? Relax. I clocked you in.
All right. Last question.
You said that before!
Yeah, I did. Humor me anyway.
You cause chaos.
Public service.
Listen, Featherball, you keep quiet while
Don't point. I bite. I bite!
Yeah? All right. Message received.
Ever thought about joining the force?
I'd get promoted too fast.
Ah! Yeah, I can see that.
Be honest. Toxic or confident?
Both. Depends who's asking.
Are you trouble?
I'm not.
Experience.
Statement or phone number?
Take the number.
You want to give a statement?
Later.
All right, we'll call. Suit yourself.
You know why I stopped you? Mine or yours?
Yes.
Single by choice or by warning?
By choice.
There's more?
You couldn't handle it.
Do you come with a warning label?
Yes. Handle with snacks.
Oh, man.
Last question.
You said that before.
Yeah, I did. Stingy.
Hey, easy there. Calm down. I am calm. You don't sound it. This is my life. All right, got it. Deep breath. Very deep. Yeah, we'll work on that.
Look, partner, I'm trying to help you here.
Lose the attitude.
Lose the questions.
You kidding me?
Up.
All right.
Rough night?
Long shift.
Try being iconic 24/7. Rough night?
Long shift.
Try being iconic 24/7. Rough night?
Long shift.
Try being iconic 24/7.
You're funny.
I know. Humble? Absolutely not.
Spell my name right.
How?
Legend. Got it.
People warned me about you.
Smart people.
It's called joy! Joy!
Rude.
Ah!
I was talking.
Sorry?
Good.
Make me look good!
You got it, superstar.
Have my angle!
Perfect.
I know your type. Do you know your password?
Cute. Real cute.
Real secure!
Listen, Featherball, somebody talked. Was it you?
Secrets, safe. Lips, beak, zipped!
Unbelievable.
Move along. Baby's faster than your car chase.
Slower than my Wi-Fi.
What?
Way slower.
Alright, you win.
All right, let's keep this simple. Did you see who took the necklace?
You're on question 3!
Oh, right, got it. Just a few questions, that's all.
3!
Yeah, I heard you.
All right, one more time, feathered friend. How many hearts have you broken?
Stop counting after breakfast.
Are you flirting with the law?
Only with uniform.
Excuse me? Are you flirting with the law?
Only with uniform.
Excuse me? This is official.
So am I. Blow into this.
Dinner first?
You're kidding me.
Quiet.
Loud thoughts.
Is that real?
Yes.
Suspicious.
Stop shining. Baby is scared.
They're gloves.
Shiny trouble. Stop shining. Baby is scared.
They're gloves.
Shiny trouble.
Heart rate steady.
Because I mind my business.
Teach me.
Start with your beak shut and pretend you have one.
If you join dating apps,
Lock the city.
Lock the city.
seriously?
Lock the city for safety.
Any advice for a happy life, pal?
Eat well, sleep well. Don't text your EX.
You serious? All right. Noted.
Are you this confident on purpose?
No.
Then why?
Medical condition. Permanent.
Are you this confident on purpose?
No.
Then why?
Medical condition. Permanent.